Big up yourself. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Just hit a jack a while ago. Yeah, man. We're there, so guys. Tap up the screen, guys. That's what's up. I'm gonna drop him in this pool real quick. Yeah, man. Just got a nice jack a while ago, guys. Yeah, guys. Tap up the screen, man, and let's see fish, man, alone. Big up yourself, guys. Got a nice jack this morning, look at him. Tap that screen up. Yeah, outside, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Hey guys, look at this. Bulls Bay Hanover, guys. That's what's up. Let's see if we can catch one more. I would put him in the pool to catch him, but I don't want him flying out of that damn pool and going someplace else. Alright, let's keep him in the pool. We'll keep him fresh in this pool right here, guys. Let him swim around in there for a little bit. My cooler's in the car. I'll get some ice on the way down the road. We got him hooked up. Tap up the screen, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Tap up that screen. And let's see if this gets something. Yeah, guys, I didn't catch that on camera a while ago recording. I missed the catch a while ago, guys. I didn't realize I didn't have the camera on because I was actually live on my TikTok when the fish hit. But this jack hit the line seriously hard, guys. He hit that line wicked a while ago. Definitely hit the line pretty good. So that's what's up. I was actually live on my TikTok a while ago when I hitched him in. One more chasing. I see one more chasing. He almost hit it. He missed. So these jacks turn black when they hunt because he was black. Holy smoke. Woo! He missed. There's some jacks running around here, guys. Let's have some fun with them. And you guys just see that hookup a while ago, guys? That was a crazy ass hookup. The jackfish hookup. We caught the jack a while ago on the lure a while ago. He's actually, I just killed him a while ago. He's actually right here in this water puddle. I got him in the puddle next to me right now. But he's a jackfish. He hit the line hard, dude. I'm telling you, like, serious. He weighs about 1.5 pounds, nearly 2 pounds. Good size jack too. So tap up that screen for that one, guys. That was a live kill on the lure from Jamaican shore fishing. We're definitely out here just trying to think this morning. Trying to see if I'm going further down the line enough, but I just seen the spot because my brother own a shop right there, so I'm just kind of stop and go to do so and try to pick up a fish. So that's what's up. The outside. See him, guys? Jamaican shore fishing catch. Just killed him. Alright, guys. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. One called FCE, big up yourself, guys. Big up yourself. I'm not going to run this live much longer because I'm going to have to continue moving down the line and it's rough through here, like I already explained before, guys. So, definitely big up yourself, guys. Thank you guys for joining in. Appreciate you guys for making shore fishing. We are out here. Just stay tuned for the next. Just stay tuned for my video because I'm going to have a video on this I'm recording. So make sure you jump over to my YouTube channel, guys, and check out the video from this whole entire ordeal because I can't keep on going live all day. It's gonna kill my phone battery and I need my phone battery on. So pick up yourself, guys. Thank you, guys. It's been a minute. I appreciate you guys. Okay, you want a jackfish? Okay, see me, man. You can hold it. Well, you can't manage him. Eh? You can't manage it. He's big, I know he's big, but alright, me put him like cooler, no worry. Alright? Cool. See you guys, him can't manage the fish. A good size jackfish. So, I gotta take this jackfish up. He's gonna give me a pain in the ass to get him out of this pool now. Let me get him. Alright, see you guys. Nice jackfish. We'll get him on there. You want to throw my cooler? You take it. Eh? Yeah, man, I didn't know this, man. Eh? So what you do? Left him out there? No, not carry it. Eh? No, not carry it. Brother, I don't want you make me catch the fish and you make the fish waste, no, brother. You do that because I'm cooler this and I'm chewing I'm cooler, no, brother. You sure? Yeah. Alright. So you don't put him in a sitting, brother, instead of left him there so a puss could take up. Eh? So one more put him. Oh boy. One thing can't manage the fish now, look at. You can drop fish too, I guess. But I just gave him the fish because you know, look like he likes him. Yo! That's all? Alright. Now left him there, I'm making waste, you know, brother. I'm not waste them, I'm sitting here and hard work, I'm putting out this, you know. Yeah. So. Yeah, guys. Go check my bedroom in my shop real quick. On the wagon. Hey, guys. So yeah, guys. almost hit it again. Is that gonna be fish, brother? Hey guys, I just caught a nice catfish a while ago. Here's the homeboy. Trust me, if there was a bat right here, it would have hit on this already. We want to go a little bit further around to a little bit more deeper, shallower, deep, semi-shallow. We're gonna run it around because the spot that I originally planned to, that's where I was going, and I friggin' beelined and stopped here. I should never have stopped here and went right to where I was going because it's getting late and the wind is kicking up already. And lure fishing and wind don't go together very well. So you have to know what you are doing when it comes to lure fishing, guys. You have to be absolutely cautious of where and when and what time you fish. So stay tuned, guys, to making sure fishing here. We definitely out here pushing it, getting some content in. Pick up yourself. I'm going to plug in the phone here. I'm going right there. No, we're not taking you up. You left the fish on there. Morning. Yeah. Yeah, when people ready eye for things, you see. Man, see the fish I don't want, the fish and left the fish on the front of the van. Okay. Aye. Ah, boy. One no on the fish. One left the fish on gone. Look at him. Yeah, man, I'll see fish now, look at. Man left the fish right after on gone both. I pick up the fish. That's why sometimes, you know, after people think, you know. He never hungry, he never hungry. He hungry, he hungry, he carry on me out to cook. Me catch it, me appreciate it more. Mommy, you know no ice in there? Big one look piece now. I ain't no bag in there, nothing like that. You know no frozen bucket of water. Give me one nice frozen bucket of water. I wait the fish for you. I wait, if you don't let see you way, so not even touching. And walk way gone up so. Yeah. Okay, you're not busting. No man, not good man. How much is that? No, really said. Hold that man. That's good. I am cool, I'm not sure. Alright, no problem. Yeah. And if you're drinking, I have to keep the fish full, yeah. So we get ice. There's a bucket of ice. I'm showing up on top of the fish. The fish not small for you. But yo, we're good on the line, guys. So I hunt one different spot. I'm on borrow me a hunt, isn't it? We're not gonna waste that. Mad man that man.